Hey guys, hey! This is the second day now. There's this one here. Yeah, this could be alright. I knew it. I just got out of my work and I'm heading to Repco to pick up some parts for the car. Because yesterday I was doing the car, I wasn't able to continue because it's just too windy. There's a duck. Oh no, there's a duck. Alright guys, I got the part. Man, it took me long, 30 minutes. Here is the old belt. As you can see, there's cracks everywhere, which is really dangerous for you if this broke. Yeah. And luckily I got the correct size, and this is the new one. This should look like this, not like this. Look at the difference. Yeah, so the brand new is on the right, old ones on the left. That's why it's really important to bring your old part when you're purchasing parts, new parts for your car. So I got the right size too. It's good. See? I'm gonna get that replaced now. I'm going home and see you later. Peace. Alright, I'm gonna continue this job. Alright, so I'm gonna be doing this now. Let's do this. Oh, let's put this one here, and what I need is fudge. It's so windy. Jump. Just put this jack outside. So heavy. Right. Open the hood so I can, because I have to observe the level, the fluid level of my brakes. So at the moment it's in max, it's a little bit low. You can see it. Yeah, it's like almost between the max and me, almost in the middle. But if I push the brake pistons, yeah, the caliper pistons, the brake fluid will it's just gonna go up. All right, so I'm gonna hate the wind. So windy. I need to push the pistons, so I'm not pushing it. I think I should. Fudge. It's not released. Don't forget to release your handbrake, guys. Push it all the way back. There. I'm gonna go in the front to check the brake fluid level. Yes, it's going up a little bit. Now, wire brush, but okay, that's good. So now I'm gonna really, alright, I'm just gonna clean. See on that side. I'm gonna apply some antithesis here, here, or snap. Sorry, not here. Wipe it off. And some to the piston. It's not necessary, but yeah, I normally put some antithesis there. Also the back. Forget the back. Yeah. Just put some there, and then brake pads. It's the new brake pads. For the comparison, you can see the old ones like really thin. It's old, so it's good that I'm gonna replacing them with the brand new ones. So I'm gonna put this on like this. It should fit. You can just put some here, some antithesis here, so that it won't make any noise. I don't know if you guys can hear me, because it's just too windy here. Don't forget this. The new brake pads that I bought didn't come with the spring, with the clip. So better you bring it. Oh snap! I don't know what's the. It's just to hold it in place. Well, that's how it is. Slide the caliper right on, and then that's done. Apply some anti-seize. Don't forget that, so I won't corrode. Put it back. Tighten it up. Tighten it up. Don't over tighten it. Just feel it. And fine. Yeah, I need to sand it down, the rust, but no time. Oh man, it's rusty. Oh well, just gonna pump the brakes. Yeah, right. So now I'm gonna do the other side. So let's double check. Good. Loud. Too tight because I have to torque it down. I don't want to damage the thread. Yeah, so now I'm gonna put the carb down. I'm gonna do the other side. I place this jack stand to the left. run. Loud, loud. I'm just gonna break it loose like this. There you go. It's loose. Oh, that one's loose too. No. Look at that. It's so thin. I don't know what happened to this. Oh gee. Yeah, I have to replace that definitely. I'll just replace both sides. Yeah, come back for that. Just too hard. Oh, this is so handy. This is so handy, you know. You need leverage. Always keep one of these in your toolbox. This is just slide it in. Just instead. So tighten it up. It's nice. Not too tight. It looks like I over tightened it. So let's leave it. Okay. That's done. Should be fine now. Move this wheel. Gonna put this down. Right, clock sensor there, and I should be able to gain access here with the spanner. I'm sure this one goes to the rear. I don't think if you can see it. So, put this pulley here, this belt around that alternator, and then the idler pulley. A bit higher, so I have more room to pull this tensioner here. I'm gonna use really difficult. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold this, slide this out. Oh man, this is kind of difficult, but push this. That's done. Oh. Yeah. I did a lot of things just to put that belt on. So the police. Good.